XLNC. XLNC.
This don't get the Pet Hair of the Year award. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, you think you had your fair share of pet hair. Look at here. Look at here. Pet hair. Deep cleaning. Woo.
Just rolled off the dealership, you know?
Okay. We got you.
Perfect. Yeah, you guys have the best reviews on Yelp, so I'll put my faith in you.
Customer brought this in yesterday for a paint correction. Old Joe on the case over here. Trying to make this thing like new again.
Oh, me. Back at it with the jetpack.
Yes, sir. Got that jetpack going on this morning. Oh, there is some carpet on there. I thought it was all here. We're using every tool in the tool drawer. Got the massager, the glove. Put that glove on your ass. Don't let me have to put that glove on your ass. That's out of which way is up? Richard Pryor.
Hi, my name's Dustin. I'm down here at XLNC Auto Beauty. Just got my car fully detailed by them. Had the paint corrected. Had the interior fully steamed, shampooed, and washed. I had the pet hair removal. You should have seen it before they started. It was like 4 generations worth of dogs. Now you can't even tell that there was one dog in this car at all. I am incredibly pleased with the work they've done here, and I would highly recommend anyone coming back to get their car done. XLNC Auto Beauty, Auto Beauty, Auto Beauty, Auto Beauty.
XLNC Auto Beauty.